BrainBobble presents Avoiding Burnout. Tips and tricks to keep your life in balance. Are you struggling with balancing your work, personal life, and other responsibilities? Do you often find yourself feeling burnt out and overwhelmed? It's time to take control of your life and prioritize your well-being. In today's video, we'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to keep your life in balance and avoid burnout. You'll discover practical ways to create a balanced and fulfilling life. Don't let burnout rule your life any longer. It's time to take action and create the life you deserve. 1. Digital detox. Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or burned out? A digital detox may be the perfect solution. Taking a break from technology, social media, and screens can help you reset and reconnect with the present moment. It provides time to combat stress, anxiety, and fatigue, while also allowing you to enjoy creativity, relaxation, and reflection. Plan ahead by saving the date on your calendar and prepare activities to do without tech. Document your experience in writing or photos. It could be just what you need. Doing this can help reduce stress levels, increase confidence, and prevent burnout. Additionally, it gives you the opportunity to rediscover the joys of creativity and relaxation, as well as connect with friends in person and find peace of mind. 2. Reflective decision-making. When you face a decision, it can be difficult to know what the right choice is. By acknowledging and writing down your thoughts and feelings, you can objectively assess your emotions and reasons. This enables you to make better decisions without rushing or being irrational. This process of exploring, identifying patterns, and gaining new insights is a beneficial way for you to make decisions in life. It can reduce your stress levels, increase your confidence, and help avoid burnout. It gives vital time to rest and recharge, prevents you from feeling overwhelmed by the task at hand, increases your energy levels, and improves your mental clarity for a fresh outlook without experiencing undue stress. 3. Stretch frequently. Taking a break from work is important to help stay focused and alert. Instead of relying on caffeine-filled coffee breaks, try taking stretch breaks instead. Taking even just a few minutes away from work gives you the chance to move around and become aware of how your body feels. Doing mindful stretching exercises can help reduce any aches and pains caused by sitting in one position for too long, improve blood flow throughout the body, and increase energy. It also contributes to greater self-awareness and can lead to better posture, improved moods, increased mental clarity, and enhanced performance. These small but invaluable breaks give your mind vital time to rest and recharge, allowing you to return back to work feeling refreshed, while helping prevent burnout in the long run. 4. Unlock inspiration. Taking the time to listen to audiobooks and podcasts that are not related to your profession is a great way to gain inspiration and unique strategies. It gives you an opportunity to discover new ideas, explore different topics, and expand your knowledge beyond what you already know. By disconnecting from work-related topics, it allows you to challenge yourself, learn from other perspectives, and find creative solutions. Additionally, it gives you access to new strategies or techniques which could be beneficial for your career or personal goals, as well as help you avoid burnout by providing methods of stress reduction, increasing confidence, and preventing exhaustion in the long run. Listening to audiobooks and podcasts outside of your professional realm can be a great source of inspiration and be the deciding factor for success in the long run. 5. Group support empowerment. Working with a team or mastermind group can not only help you stay focused and productive, but it can also be a great way to prevent burnout. The encouragement and support from the group's collective energy can significantly reduce stress levels and empower each member with motivation to achieve their goals. In such an environment, challenging tasks are made more achievable as members leverage their collective knowledge, expertise, and creativity for positive outcomes. This creates a sense of camaraderie, connection, and accountability that is necessary for preventing burnout in the long run. There are many ways to find or create such a team or mastermind group. You can look for one in your local community, join an online platform that facilitates such groups, or reach out to people who share similar interests and start a conversation. 6. Sunrise, sunset. Taking some time to watch the sunrise or sunset can provide a much-needed respite from our everyday tasks and routines, which can be the cause of burnout. It's an opportunity to step away from whatever stress you are facing and engage in a mindfulness activity. This activity can help boost your mental energy, focus, and motivation. It can also act as a source of inspiration that gives you ideas on how to tackle challenging situations and approach them with a more positive outlook. Spending some time in nature to appreciate the beauty of the sunrise or sunset helps to create a sense of inner peace, allowing us to feel calmer and refreshed while clearing our minds of worries. This naturally helps reduce stress levels and provide strength needed to prevent or escape burnout. 7. Join a community garden. Cultivating a shared garden with your neighbors can provide numerous benefits to help you avoid burnout. Working outdoors in nature has been proven to reduce stress levels and stimulate creativity, while social connectedness helps foster meaningful relationships. Joining a community garden allows you to learn new skills and exchange opinions with others, while also providing an outlet for relaxation after a long day or week of work. The feeling of accomplishment that comes along with tending a shared garden is immensely rewarding, and can be invaluable in helping you avoid burnout. 8. Different activities. Taking a break from your regular routine can be incredibly beneficial for your mental well-being. Exploring different activities such as pottery, crafting, painting, or learning a new language can open up possibilities that you may not have considered before and help to keep you engaged. You could also join in on virtual escape rooms or board game nights with friends. Not only will these activities provide you with a break from the monotony of the everyday, but they might also give you the opportunity to learn something new and exercise creative thinking. Don't let yourself get too caught up in stress and overload. Tempting yourself with exciting new activities is a great way to avoid burnout along the way. Remember, burnout is a real danger, and it can strike anyone. It's essential to understand that maintaining balance in life is crucial to avoiding burnout. By adopting creative ways to unwind, you can stay on top of your game and be your best self. Finding activities that help to balance your life should be a top priority. By doing so, you can continue to thrive both personally and professionally. Keep these tips in mind as you strive for balance in your life, and you'll be on your way to a happier, healthier you. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.